Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Just a Little Brit. Just a little Brit. Just a little Brit. R-E-S-T. So, okay. As you can tell, I did change my channel name. I was at that Brittany Shameless. Oh my god, that Brittany Shameless. On Instagram since I was like a baby. That was in our last video we watched. If you want, you can go back to that one. We can talk about that. And how I was that Brittany Shameless and where that came from, and that was my Instagram name. But I decided to go ahead and just make everything one, and now I am just a little Brit. Just a little Brit. Just a little Brit of my for you. Anyway, you guys, this is my third video. This is so exciting. Today I have a really exciting treat for all of us. You see, we're gonna go check out some Christmas lights. We have some really cool neighbors who have put up a ton of decorations, and I thought that it would spread a little bit of holiday cheer your way. That is what I'm hoping for. So stick around because I'm gonna teach you how to wrap a present without tape, sans tape. No tape necessary. I know. We're gonna try. So make sure to subscribe, comment, like, share, all of that good stuff, and let's go on our adventure. This week, I was feeling a little under the weather, to say the least.
So, I am, why are you putting the windows down? Waiting in my car till, somebody comes out to see me. I'm in front of an Easy Up tent, and they're treating me as if I'm a COVID patient. So here's the Easy Up tent, just waiting in the car with our masks on, and, yeah, see what happens. My brother says I sound like the moose from Frozen. I'd like to clarify that the moose from Frozen doesn't have any lines.
Kind of came back to life today. I decided to spruce up myself and shine bright like the lights that I'm going to see this evening. I usually don't do that because we don't see people during quarantine, but I'm going to see lights and they're going to see me. And so I thought, what would Cindy Lou Who do? WWCLWD. And she would probably get her dinner and glue it to her dress and put her hair up like this. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go see those lights. I can't wait. And that is why we are all bundled up today. Bundled and cozy. Cozy and bundled. Just a small line.
So, like, what happens if you have to go potty?
This is so long. Ebola. Okay, so I'm actually going to be showing you guys two different ways to wrap presents this year without using any tape. The first way is kind of an ode to 2020. I thought it would be kind of a clever way that you guys can wrap a smaller gift, maybe a stocking stuffer, but definitely use some supplies that you already have at home and no tape. Of course, like the decorations and the embellishments I put on top might require tape after, but that is of course your choice if you'd like to spice it up a little bit. So without further ado, here comes 2 different ways that you can wrap a present without any tape. First things first, you're going to need that toilet paper ring that lives inside of your toilet paper roll. That is going to be what we're utilizing to hide our gift. So you're going to want to give it a good smash. Get all those frustrations out on that little toilet paper holder. It should look something like this. Then take an object that fits comfortably in the center of the toilet paper holder. You're going to align the round object and place half of it on the edge of the toilet paper holder. Take a pen without the ink part showing and score or press the cardboard without piercing through it. The scoring is so that it will eventually fold easier for us in the future. Push the center part of your edge that we just marked, and it should easily fold into each other and close those ends off and create this cute and sweet container. Really work those corners to make sure your final result is nice and crisp. You can slip on a little wrapping paper cuff that I made or tie a bow onto it to add a little extra something. So for my next gift wrapping tip, you're going to need 2 pieces of ribbon, about 1 foot long. You can measure that with your arm. Your wrapping paper. I thought I would save you guys the crinkly paper sounds, but essentially, you're going to want to make sure that your wrapping paper covers your present once fully around. Like so. Then you're going to take the excess sides of the wrapping paper and crumple that in your hands. Make a nice, tight little bundle. Then we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to secure those bunches that we just made. Repeat the same process on the other side and make sure to fluff out that ribbon after you're all done making that cute little bow. So now we have something like this, which is really cute and you can stop here. But if you want to add a little something extra, I like to cut off the edges to make it look like it's a candy wrapper. So I do a wavy kind of edging and I finish off my present like that. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Make sure to comment, like, share, subscribe, and turn on that little bell that's like, hey, she's posting because I'm back. Just going to tell you some other things that you might want to make sure to do. Make sure to let me know what your favorite candy is. I want to help you on your math test. Please tell me your highlight of your week. Make sure that you share your dog's favorite chew toy. Make sure you put sunscreen on your face every day. Make sure to smile often. All right, well, enjoy the rest of your holiday season. I'll catch you guys next week for another wonderful adventure with me. Maybe we'll do a little Q&A. Maybe we'll do a little dance. Maybe we'll do a Q&A and a dance. Maybe we'll make something spectacular. But you know what we will do is we're going to make memories together and it's going to be awesome. It's going to be fun. So stick around, hang around. I'm going to go this way.